all are good ornaments. And real sadhu's qualifications? Mai bhakti purvanti jatidam. Suddhira bhakti to Vishnu, to Bhagavan. Powerful bhakti. Matkriti tapta karma. Who left for selfish desire, selfish mood, selfish karma. Everything becomes selfish. Tatra Sajana Bandhava left all family desires and attachment. They are pure devotees. Mahat Sevam Dharam Ahu Vimukti Tamodharam Yositam Sangi Sangam. Two sides. One is Mahat Seva, Sadhu Seva, living with Sadhu, serving Sadhu. This is Vimuktidhar, open door. Open door of liberation. When going bad associations, ladies associations, and bad associations, that is going of hells, door of the hells. In this way, serving to sadhu, living with sadhu, take associations.
Now you spoke living with sadhus, so there is no cause for living with sadhus. Because you speaking no ladies association and no bad
Ladies association, no ladies, but who is sense-injured, lost, anger, great illusion, kami, they are vicious, sense-injured, and always thinking bad things, going bad associations. Their association is no good. In this way, living with sadhu, who has sadhu mind, samachitta, everyone, everything same for everyone. Prasant, peaceful mind. No anger mood, no krodhi, no jealousy, no fighting, not quarreling, not killing to animals or others. Free, he is friend of everyone. They call sadhu. Necessary, they are associates. Krishna Bhakti Janmamol Hai Sadhu Sangha.
Sadhu association means master live with sadhu. This is sadhu
association. Good persons, yeah. Sadhu association. Then bhakti comes.
Live with sadhu. Stay with sadhu. Live with sadhu.
Live with sadhu.
Now how many people can do this?
Ladies, gents, they are not a sadhu. Ladies not a sadhu, they are sadhu. When good person, nice person, sadhu. When going bad association, bad culture, bad things, bad mind, they are sadhu.
所以我得讲到，就是跟有圣人品质的人生活在一起。
कृष्ण भक्ति जन्म मूल है साधु संग by sadhu association कृष्ण भक्ति कमी
通过圣人联姻的话，会使人更加
कृष्ण प्रेम जन्माए क्यों पुनः मुखंग main prominent things
重要的事情，
must follow sadhu association
必须要紧追随圣人联姻。实际上，这个圣人联姻很广泛。
भवा पवर्गो भ्रमतो यदा भविजनस्तरी अच्युत सत्समागम Everyone moving in the world,
每个人这个世界
they are
游走，
sadhu association.
这里的话进入圣人联姻，
Then you can understand, oh, now finish my family life
进入圣人联姻，
or
哦，
finish my karma bandhan, sansar bandhan. No bindness in karma,
我的果报活动、世俗活动不再
not moving again.
就不会再开始在这个物质世界，
Everything less.
就会减弱、减少。
Because when have sadhu association,
有圣人联姻的话，
so following bhakti, going to upper
有
way,
奉爱，会向
not going down.
就不会再返回去，走下坡路。
Then become bhakti, bhav, mood coming to Sri Krishna.
追随奉爱，心学到情感出现，也是有圣人的情感。
If in this material life have sadhu association only few seconds,
得到圣人联姻的
chanardhopi satsanga,
几秒、几分钟、
few seconds, few minutes,
几秒钟、几分钟，
very short times,
非常非常短暂的时刻，
going sadhu
进
association.
入到圣人联姻这个时刻。
At once change their life, change their mind, heart,
他
everything.
们的生命、心意，所有一切都发生改变。
Like on the way going in airport,
我们去
in the flight
机场啊，
or anywhere
飞机上，任何
was sadhu and discuss something, talk something.
任何地方。
At once change mind, change life.
交流几句，立刻的话就是会使这个人发生改变。
So Lord Kapil Dev told, "O Mata Devi,
卡布达对我告诉妈妈不要不听，
Satam prasangan mohabirya samvido." Going sadhu association, then very powerful katha is there.
因为他们那里有充满非常
Hearing this powerful katha, change their life.
充满力量的话题的话，变为
Bhavante vedkana rasayana katha. At once change their life, mind, heart.
立刻的生命、心意所使内心都要发生改变。
Following this katha, following this bhakti,
聆听到这样的话题，
also very quickly
然后呢，就是
bhakti coming in heart,
很快速的从爱就进入到
bhajan kriya, anartha nivritti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, then bhav coming.
如此体会阿沙提，阿沙提依法依念，到最后的大出现。
असत्संग त्यागी वैष्णवयाचार स्त्री संगी साधु कृष्ण भक्त यार असत्संग त्याग always should be careful left asatsang.
要放弃这种
Asatsanga means bad association.
三个就代表的是不良联姻。
Bad association. Istri Sangi, who is sense engineer,
这不良联姻范围对象指的
always
感官享受者，
ladies,
那种
sexual
他的
mood.
心意总是这种充满色欲，
How can they sex enjoy?
对女士。
In this way, they are going bad association, always
那这样的人
thinking about
要远离他，他总是想着这个感官享受的事情。
Other way, non-devotees.
第二个的话就是非奉献者，
Who is non-devotees?
不是奉献者。
Krishna Bhakta, not following to Sri Krishna.
他不追随谁对谁，
they are associates.
这样的灵也被称为是不良灵，是不良灵的一个，什么人被称为是不良灵对象。
When going bad association, all bad things coming.
这样子的话，
Also, everything lost.
追随。
Mahaprabhu told.
第三个的话，
Satam Saucham Daya Maunam Buddhi Sriya Satchama Samodamo Bhagascheti Jat Sangat Jati Sanchayam. Going in bad association, bad persons, at once you lost all good quality
如果你进入到不良
with
灵，
bad association.
立刻的话，
Satam cannot speak truth,
你就不能再讲真话，
cannot follow to Sri
不能
Krishna.
再不能再坚持
Sojam not purity,
圣人的原则，像
always impure.
不能够真正的讲真话，
Daya, no kindness.
没有仁爱，没有人情，
Mona, silent mood, everything lost.
这种平和，
Lost his knowledge,
陷落的这个心绪的丢失，
lajja,
的
shyness,
丢失丧失，
Sri, beauty, fame,
那追随什么？追随
forgiveness, everything lost.
名声、财富、漂亮。
Cannot control his mind, cannot control his
这
senses.
种不良人的话，名声、财富和漂亮，这些都会丧失。
Aishwarya, Bija, Jas, Sri, Gyan, Vairagya, everything lost
谁为边，
when going bad association.
就是名声、漂亮，还有地位、财富、财富。
In this way spoke,
这是经常
Sangam na kuryat, soche sujo se keda mrige sucha, na tatha sabhaved moh,
那
bandhasyan
那
prasangata.
like householder,
Eh?
householder,
Householder is no problem.
problem, they always in a bad association. Their husband, wife, and children not devotee, or the 24 hours stay with them, living with them. They cannot change them. They cannot speak truth. They cannot become silent. They can,
Everyone not bad persons.
but
So
almost
many persons living in house, but automatically they have renounced mood.
还有那我就在笑了，我说像家里的居士领
Why going my house householder life?
非奉献者，
Because they are going married for control their senses.
算是真正的不良人，因为奉献者作为居士的奉献者，他们有这种坚强的内
I
心。
have ladies, I have wife. If I am thinking, oh, always I can take sense enjoy, this is no good bad.
如果总是想要这些人享受的话，这就是不良人。但是不想着去解救他们，这就不属于是不良人。
So asanta, uncontrolled mind senses.
不平和，然后心不能感官不能控制，
Mood, ignorance persons.
愚昧的人，
Kandit Atma always sense enjoy,
享
sensitive.
受的，充满色欲，
And always jealous mood, no knowledge, nothing.
没有知识，总是充满悲愤、悲哀、不幸的这种心情。
No need to their association.
所以这样的不需要这样的人，
Because they are thinking, oh, ladies,
因为他们想着哦，女士，
association,
女士的联谊，
sex enjoy is our life.
因为他们想着女士的联谊，女士享受，这就是他们的生活。
And they become kida mriga like
他们都像是第二，
always ladies, how can sex enjoy? How can they?
什么色
If going their association,
色土，
then lost mind, energy, everything lost.
所以进入到就是充满色欲的
And become bindings,
这样
fall down.
就会坠落，充满坠落，进入到地狱之中。
Who is going ladies association, in this way, those persons don't take their association.
所以那个总是想要跟你们感官享受的色图的话，不要进入到这样的联谊之中。
Living family life, living with children, living with family, with wife, there is no problem.
这是没有问题的。
But sex enjoy,
但是过度的
very bad. Then, they have wife, they are going to sex, for sex or not,
妻子的时候，
they are
享受
going.
这个享受呢，他们会享受。
But in Bhagavatam spoke,
但是在国家晚餐之中讲到，就是也会跟妻子结合。
going for
这种
Prajaya, Naratai,
这种结合是为了和教养目的。
for baby,
为了后代，为了后代。
If
为
going
了后代。
go for baby.
如果你是为了生孩子，
No sex, no sense enjoy.
不是为了这个单纯的感官享受。
In Bhagavatam says,
国家晚餐之中讲到，
go to marriage life. Why? Control your mind, heart,
进入婚姻
senses.
进入婚姻
In
生
this
活。
way, living with her, no problem.
跟他住在一起的话没有问题，可以让孩子感染后代。
Yato sab chariyar varnasrama dharma akincan hayalare krishnaika sara. So let all varnasram religion. Simple mood, simple life, take shelter to Sri Krishna.
是非常单纯的，非常简单。
This is
这是非常
important.
这是最重要的。
Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam praja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshay swami masuchah. Sri Krishna spoke, Arjuna, left all religion.
尽量放弃一切宗教，
Take shelter me.
只归于我，托庇于我，
I am taking care.
我就会给你。
You don't worry for your sinful life.
不用担心你所有的这些活报活的罪恶的，
I make care.
我会把你从所有的罪恶活的解决，
I make purify to you.
我会给你净化，给你解决。
Only you follow
照
me.
顾，只追随于我。
So in this way, Mahaprabhu spoke.
因此马法会说，
Now stop here. Tomorrow.
对吧？这就是马法的教导。
Gaur Premanande Hare Hare